Hello scholars, let's continue with our next topic from second chapter. I'll put you in a situation, okay? During a summer vacation, you went to your nanny's home and when your virtual schooling started, you returned to your home. Let's say that the distance between the nanny's home and your home is 2000 meters and you traveled 1642 meters and then you stopped at a particular shop to buy certain groceries. Okay, so now how much you have to travel to reach your home? You have to travel from the grocery to your home. Yes? So for that, you can do a mathematical operation known as subtraction. Today we are going to see subtraction. Okay, students, you have already done subtraction with 3-digit numbers. We will see 4-digit numbers today. The distance was 2000 and you had already traveled 1642. Okay, so 2000 is bigger, hence it is to be written on the top and the smaller number is to be written in the bottom, this way. Okay, any sum can be solved by two methods, that is in the digit form or from the object form. So for the object form, we have the place value chart and we will write the numbers in the place value chart. The first number is 2000. Okay, 0 is there in the ones place, so no object in the ones place. 0 is there in the tens place, no object in the tens place. 0 is there again in the hundreds place, so I'll have no object in the hundreds place also. And 2 is there in the thousands place, so I'll have 2 object here. Clear? Now writing the smaller number, that is the second number, we have 2 in the ones place, so 2 here in the objects, 2 objects in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, so we have 4 objects, 6 in the hundreds place, so we have 6 object, and 1 in the thousands place, we have 1 object here. Clear with it? So we will subtract it. Now starting the subtraction from the extreme right, that is from the ones place, you have to subtract 2 from 0. Can you do that, students? No, you cannot do that because 2 is greater than 0. So what ones will do is, ones will go to tens and ask for an object. But tens will say that I don't have any object. Then tens will go to 100 and ask for an object. 100 says I don't have any object. Then 100 will go to the thousands place and ask for an object. But 1000 is there in the position to give or not? Yes, thousands is in the position to give object to the 100 because it has 2 objects. Yes, this way 1000 will lend to ones through 100 and tens. Clear? Because it is the only place to the left of the ones place with number. Clear with it, students? Now see, when I open one bundle from 1000, it will turn up to be 100. Clear? This is the one bundle. When you open up the bundle, you will have 10 sticks, no? So 100 it will turn up to be. You know that 1000 is equal to 100. So the same logic is applied. Okay, so 1 is reduced and 10 is added to hundreds place. The same thing you do in the digital form, that is with digits. 2 is reduced by 1 and the 1 is lended to 100. So hundreds place turns up to be 10. Clear? Now again you cannot subtract ones because there is 0 here. 0 ones goes to tens and 10 says I don't have any object. 10 goes to 100 and 100 says I will only give you one bundle. When one bundle of 100 is opened up, you have 10 tens. As the same way you can say that 100 is equal to 10 tens. So the same thing, one bundle is removed and you have 10 tens. The same thing you represent in the digit form is 10 from the 100 place is reduced by 1. So it will turn up to be 9, and that 1 is added to tens, and hence tens place will turn up 10. Clear? Now again, subtracting from the ones place, you don't have any number to be subtracted from, and hence 1 goes to tens, and 10 says that I'll only give you one bundle. And when one bundle of 10 is opened up, we have 10 ones, as 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Clear with it, student? The same is represented in the digit form, that is 10 is reduced by 1, which will give me 9, and that 1 is lended to ones, and hence the ones place will turn up as 10 from 0. Clear with it? Now only subtraction you have to do. Okay. Starting from the ones place, it's 10 sticks minus 2 sticks. Okay. 10 minus 2 will give me 8, and then 9 minus 4 will give me 5. Then 9 minus 6 will give me 3, and 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Clear? The same thing we do in the digit form is, from the ones place we have 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, then in the hundreds place we have 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. If you don't write 0, it's okay, student. Okay, moving on to the next topic. The next sum is subtract 42,369 from 97,905. Okay, the bigger number on the top and the smaller number in the bottom. The bigger number from where you have to subtract is known as minuend. Okay, and the smaller number which is to be subtracted from the bigger number is known as subtrahend. And the difference between the two, or the answer, you can say is known as the difference. Clear with it? Bigger number is minuend, smaller number is subtrahend, and the answer is difference. Okay, starting with the ones place, 9 is to be subtracted from 5. Can you do that? No, because 9 is greater. So what ones will do? Ones will go to tens to borrow. Tens has 0. It will say I don't have any number. So tens will go to 100. 100 you have 9. So 9 can give number to tens and ones. So 9 is reduced by 8. Okay, reduced to 8, and one number is given to 10, and hence 0 turns up to be 10. Clear? Again, 9 cannot be subtracted from 5. Ones goes to 10. Now 10 has 10 sticks, 10 bundles. Okay, so 10 will say I will give you one bundle, and then hence it will have 9 tens, and that 1 tens will turn up as, will be given to 1, and hence ones will have 1 tens and 5 ones, which will be 15. Clear with it? Now starting the subtraction, 15 minus 9 will give me 6 here. Moving to the tens, 9 minus 6 will give me 3. Moving to hundreds, 8 minus 3 will give me 5. 1000, 7 minus 5 will give me, 7 minus 2 will give me 5. And 9 minus 4 will give me 5. Clear? Now, the minuend, subtrahend and the difference has certain relationship. Let's see what they have. When you add difference and subtrahend, what we get? Let's have a look. The difference was 55,536, and the subtrahend was 42,369. When we add them, what we get is, let's see, 6 plus 9 is 15, 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10, 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So my answer is 97,905. Okay, this is my minuend, isn't it? See, have a look. So I can say that my subtraction is correctly done. This is how I can have a cross check whether my answer of subtraction is right or wrong. Okay, So the conclusion comes that addition and subtraction are opposite operations. Okay. Now students, it's your Tufani time. And let's see what Batuk has for you. Batuk has one number and it also has the other number, and he says to look at it carefully. Look at it carefully, students. What you observe? See, the number is 34643 and the second number is 39893. When I reverse the number, it is 34643, the same number, 39893, the same number. So these two numbers are known as palindrome. A palindrome is a number which reads the same backwards and forward. Clear? And Batuk is here again with certain homework also. Students, you have to try to solve exercise 2.5. Okay. The solution also to this exercise will be provided soon. And one point I wanted to clear it out, that whenever you have a word problem in the textbook and you don't have any space to solve the word problem, those word problems you have to write it in your notebook. Okay. Please complete your textbook, your notebook and your workbook along with me, students. In the next video, we will solve some more sums on subtraction. Till then, have great days.